In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Walmart gift card. Whether you're sending a quick thank you or planning ahead for a holiday, I'll guide you through the process from start to finish so you can check out with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the official Walmart website. On the home page, look for the gift card section. This is usually visible in the main menu or near the footer. If you don't see it right away, use the site's search bar and type gift cards to jump directly to the right page. Once you're on the gift cards page, you'll choose between an eGift card and a physical card. An eGift card is delivered by email and is great for instant gifting or last-minute occasions. A physical card is a traditional plastic card mailed to a street address, perfect if you want something tangible to hand over. Pick the format that best fits your timing and the recipient's preference. Next, select a design. You'll see options for birthdays, holidays, thank you messages, and simple, classic looks. Choose something that matches the occasion or the recipient's style. After that, set the amount. You can load any value from $5 to $500. Think about what the recipient might use it for, and pick an amount that feels right. If you're unsure, a round number often makes it simple. When your design and amount are set, click Add to Cart. Take a quick moment to review your cart and make sure everything looks correct, format, design, and amount, before moving on. Now it's time to enter delivery details. For an eGift card, type in the recipient's email address carefully and double-check the spelling to avoid delays. If you prefer to forward it yourself, you can use your own email and pass it along later. For a physical card, enter a complete shipping address, including apartment or unit number if needed, to ensure smooth delivery. Proceed to payment and enter your payment details. You can pay with a card or use PayPal. Make sure your billing information matches your payment method and review the order summary. Gift cards are typically delivered without shipping fees, while physical cards may include shipping options and timelines. When everything looks good, click Place Order. You'll receive an order confirmation on screen and by email. For eGift cards, delivery often happens within minutes, but it can take a bit longer in some cases. Check your inbox and spam folder. For physical cards, watch for a shipping confirmation and estimated delivery date. That's it. You've successfully purchased a Walmart gift card, ready to use or gift with confidence.